In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 9C, and let me show you all the secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first you need to open the phone dialer, and let's start with the first code, which is the test mode, and the code for it is *## 64663 *##. And here, right in front of you, you have the test mode, and just scroll down here, you have all features, all options that you can check. If you, for example, would like to test the speaker and check if it's working properly, mark the speaker
59559.
So as you can see, it passed the test. We can go back then, and here you've got the notification about the results. We can also check display. Let's start the screen to begin. And as you can see, it passed as well. So we can go back, and here you can pick just whichever test you would like to perform, mark it, and then you will be able to see the results. So as you can see, we can also check the receiver. So it is proper as well. So here we've got the results. Then you can go back, and now we can enter another code. And this time we will enter test mode, but the one that Google prepared for us. The code for it is *## 4636 *##. And here we've got phone information and also Wi-Fi information. So under phone info, you will be able to find email number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, and so on. A bit lower you can run a ping test. Here it is, so you can smoothly see the results a bit lower. And under Wi-Fi information, just refresh status, you can see the current status of your network, and also this mode allows you to perform a ping test. So this is it, that would be all for this second code. Another one that we would like to show you is *## 225 *##. And here you can check all important events, celebrations, dates that are saved in your calendar. You don't have to scroll through all the days and months, but smoothly enter this code and you will be able to check all upcoming events. And this is it. Another code that I would like to show you is *## 426 *##. And it's diagnostic mode, where you can check events and status. And if you'd like to enroll advanced view, just tap on more icon, select advanced, and here you've got further details. So this is it. And now the last code, also the shortest, is *## 06#. And as you can see, this one will provide you with unique numbers assigned to your Xiaomi, which are email and serial numbers. And this is it. That would be all. These are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.